Just doing a quick market update for the free video, and then afterwards we'll go through a little bit more in detail of the other markets and a couple of names that we went through today. We added onto our IRA and played some short swings. So before we jump into it, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that options tender logo, and subscribe if you're new here. Also, we are in a Discord discussing, camaraderie, talking about trading every single day. It is the Options Guide. The link's going to be in the description. And last thing, for our Patreon members that we do the extended video, it's only $5 monthly, so come check it out. You know, you have nothing to lose. You don't like the information that you get in there, just cancel. So here we are on the SPX with the daily. We have our Elliott wave count. We may have finished, we changed our count just a little bit. We may have finished a 2-5 wave series. So starting with this turquoise, the 1-2, also the 3-4, the blue series, the turquoise series. We may have finished those right now. So we may have a little bit bigger drop or correction than anticipated before, because we didn't hit all of our targets. So we did cross over on the MACD. The histogram is starting to accelerate, and therefore we have to go with a little bit more bearish counts. And now we're still bullish in the intermediate and the long run, but on the daily we're crossing over. We're probably going to reset, maybe go down to the zero line and go from there. We're already heading down to, we're about 43 area on the RSI. You know, 40 and 30 are a typical bouncing spot for the market when you're in a bullish run. So we anticipate that this won't be too severe, but possibility all the way down to the 4,000 area. So we'll check this out. We'll take it day by day. This might be the end of a new wave 1. Okay. And that would bring wave 2 down to this 4,000. All right. So we broke through that rising pivot. We have a gap, a runaway gap now. We're pausing on the 50. We are playing the bounce. I do expect to sell the rip. At this time, we're underneath the 8 MA, and we might go to retest that rising pivot and also the 8 MA, and start our movement down a little bit more. So this might end up being an ABC down, some sort of zigzag, ABC up, and then a 5 wave down, or ABC down, to get us down to a lower spot. Okay, so we're just, right now we're in sell the rip mode. We're going to be cautious on everything that we do, not too aggressive on the upside. Let's move over to the SPY, see what kind of volume we're getting here. All right, on the SPY with this follow through, we did come back to a breakout area. We have huge volume compared to what we've had during this holiday season, just minuscule, and then on this breakdown, just huge volume. So we pushed off, we're pushing off the 50 MA. Also, this is the ascending triangle that we were talking about. We're retesting that breakout area. We had this turquoise line for the measured move. We didn't even hit that target. So, you know, I'm going to take that off and consider this done, this move done. And we'll see where we go from here. We break down from this 50 or the or this ascending triangle breakout zone, and we'll probably retest this rising pivot here, and that coincides with the 100-day moving average. So that might be our target, somewhere in this area for SPY. Just different ways to look at it. That's why we do SPY, we do SPX, we do the ES. It gives us different points of view on where we might correct to, and then you know, we can make better decisions. Let's go to the VIX. VIX futures, VX. VIX futures. We were watching this. We're watching this wedge. Okay, very important. This wedge we almost broke out of. We actually rejected off the 200-day moving average, and also the coinciding with the wedge resistance, but it's not necessarily over yet. We're going to watch this. If we start to break out of it and hold, especially a daily close, then we have a much bigger correction coming than we think. We already got over this resistance here to pop back up. Now, if we break over this, I think we'll probably retest this upper area of resistance in the 36 zone, which means we're probably taking a big dip in the overall market. All right, let's jump at ES. ES on the 65. Okay, notice that the on the 65-minute chart, this is equivalent to the hourly chart. We like the 65-minute candles just so they're even throughout the trading day. You see that we are oversold. The MACD is starting to cross back over, so that's why we played the bounce. We'll show you in RTY in the members only video what exactly we're playing, and this is going to be a bounce. We're probably going to sell back off at some point. I don't know if it's going to be at the point of control. It could be at the 43. We're not looking to take the whole bounce and play it. You know, we just want the meat off the bone, and then we'll see what happens, how we're going to make our next move, and we'll be patient. Okay, so what happened here? Let's go back. We're going to have to fix our counts on, sorry, it's a little bit choppy here. We're going to have to fix our counts here. We had an ABC correction, and that still might be so, but you know, I think that's invalidated from the wave one before. So we're gonna have to redo our wave count here. This might be where our top is. This might be the A, B, or the 5 wave. Excuse me, 5 waves down. B, the B wave would be A, B, C, and then a zigzag 5 wave down, and then we'll correct with an ABC, perhaps. And then do that second part of the zigzag, a much more impulsive 5 wave down or an ABC. Okay, so I do think we have much more downside to go, but we're going to watch this bounce and see how it acts, see if we can get a certain wave count in here. If it's just an ABC, then we know it's a correction, and we'll head down lower. So we're getting over just after hours now. We're getting over this downtrend line, so we're breaking through this. That's good. We have this downtrend way over here. That would be a huge bounce, but we'll also use some retracements as well to get some visuals on what's happening. We could go from the top to the bottom here. Again, ignore those wave counts. We're not sure that those are going to be correct yet. And then you have the 382, very valid point of control that we could just stop there and start heading down. It could be the 50% retracement, which would be typical for a zigzag. So that's going to be our target. But, you know, there's always a possibility that it goes deeper. It doesn't have to. So we'll play as if it's going to go up to the 50% retracement. We'll go from there and see what happens. We do this each and every day. So hit that notification button if you want to receive this information. That's it for the non-member video. I appreciate you being here. So thanks for being here at Options Tender.